In this video, I will explain a very useful NPM package called EIP-7702 Sweeper. This NPM package is basically an advanced Ethereum and native token sweeper bot. Its main job is simple. If any ETH or native token arrive in your wallet, the package will automatically transfer those funds to another wallet without any manual action. Before we continue, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. Do not use real private keys or wallet secrets with this tool. Use only test wallets and testnet funds. This package is for educational purposes only. The author is not responsible for any loss, damage or misuse. So what exactly is this NPM package? The EIP-7702 Sweeper is a Node.js library that automates fund sweeping from delegated wallets. Once you set it up and run it, the bot keeps watching your wallet. Whenever your wallet receives ETH or any native token, the bot instantly transfers that funds to a destination wallet of your choice. It works like an automatic recovery and forwarding system. This package comes with several powerful features. It supports fully automatic sweeping of ETH and any native tokens, smart gas estimations with a buffer to avoid failed transaction, multi-chain support, and input validation for safety. It is designed to be simple to use but very powerful in real-world situations. The Sweeper bot also supports many different networks. It works on Ethereum mainnet, Ethereum Sepolia, BSC, Base, Arbitrum, Polygon Optimism, Avalanche, and many more EVM chains. The network is automatically detected from the RPC URL, so you don't need to configure anything manually. Installing and using this package is very easy. You just need to install it using the command npm install EIP-7702 Sweeper. After that, import it into your JavaScript or TypeScript project and run it with a simple configuration. You only need to provide 4 things: the private key of the target wallet to monitor, the private key of the sponsor wallet for gas fees to delegate transaction, then your recipient wallet address for receiving Swift funds, and the network RPC URL. There are also optional parameters: delegate mode, which keeps monitoring whether your wallet is delegated or not, delegate mode interval, which sets the delegate check interval, and gas buffer, which determines how much additional gas you want to add for the delegate transaction. Now let's look a quick demo. I will use test wallets on Sepolia testnet to show how the bot detects incoming funds and automatically sweeps them to destination wallet in real time.
Gas set smart, chains all linked, no manual steps, no time to think. From testnet trials to mainnet deep, safe and fast, auto sweep. Watch it run, night and day, hands off flow, funds on their way. Watch it run, night and day, hands off flow, funds on their way. Watch it run, night and day, hands off flow, funds on their way. hands offload, funds on their way.
And if you want to use other networks, simply change the RPC URL in the config variable and pass it into another bot function call. You can run the sweeper on multiple networks, monitor multiple wallets, or customize other settings just by updating the config data and executing the bot function again. The EIP-7702 Sweeper is an advanced automatic ETH and native token sweeper bot. You can run it once and it keeps working for you, moving any incoming funds from one wallet to another instantly. It is perfect for automation systems, wallet management, and funds recovery. If you need a simple and reliable way to automate transfer crypto funds, this package is a great solution. Thanks for watching this video and happy sweeping.